Dear all, I would like to invite you for the upcoming question and answer session.
What is appropriate to me, what is inappropriate to me, it's very subjective to me. If somebody has done something wrong or something inappropriate, the first thing is how you are going to react to it superficially, and how you are going to react to it from deep inside. Okay? Generally, if the person who have done something wrong is above you in age or in position or in social status, you you react in a different way, but if that person who is similar to you or lower than you would react in a different way. So however you react, you carry some residue into your mind. So the wound starts from not the reaction alone, but also from the residue out of that reaction. If you feel that you're right, and if you feel that, okay, that person did this to me and I have done a right justice, I have taken a revenge on him or done something wrong against him, you feel confident, then maybe you wouldn't take that residue deep into your mind as a burden or as a pain or as a wound. You may take it as a victory. But if you are not able to react or, in a way in which you feel right, then something, the residual effect goes into your mind and it starts bothering you. So once it starts bothering you, you are creating a negative baggage. That is the key. So you need to find out, is it bothering you? If it is bothering you, even to a slightest way, I think we need to resolve immediately and introspect, resolve it, forgive, and move on. So every day we come across so many points, so many situations where we learn that there are so many things which goes deep into our mind unresolved. And then we need to resolve it and dilute it, forgive it, then it's easy for us to move on in the next day. So that is the idea behind learning how, what to do. So first thing is identify how you're reacting and find out if you're taking a residual concept into your mind, introspect, resolve, forgive, move on.
Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and click the notification icon for updates.